Hey there. Struggling with streaming hiccups or interrupted binge sessions? Don't fret, because today we're diving into how to fix Wi-Fi connection on a Fire TV stick. Your Fire TV stick is an incredible device for enjoying a vast array of content, but a shaky Wi-Fi connection can quickly turn entertainment into frustration. In this guide, we'll explore several ways to ensure a stable and fast connection, allowing you to stream without a hitch. Step 1. Check your Wi-Fi signal strength. First things first, let's assess the signal strength of your Wi-Fi network. Navigate to Settings on your Fire TV stick, then select Network. From here, choose your network and press the Play/Pause button to view its signal strength. If it indicates a weak signal, consider moving your router closer to the TV or using a Wi-Fi range extender. Also, reducing the number of devices connected to your network can improve performance. Step 2. Restart your devices. One of the simplest yet most effective solutions is to restart both your Fire TV stick and router. Unplug both devices from the power source and wait about a minute. Then plug them back in. This often resets any connectivity issues and improves connection stability. After the devices are back online, attempt reconnecting your Fire TV stick to the Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Update your Fire TV stick software. Keeping your Fire TV stick up to date is crucial for optimal performance. Navigate to Settings, select My Fire TV, and then About. From there, choose Check for Updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Updated software can resolve compatibility issues and provide enhancements to improve Wi-Fi connectivity. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Sometimes tweaking your network settings can make a significant difference. Access your router's settings via a web browser and try changing the Wi-Fi channel to one with less interference from neighboring networks. Many routers use channels 1, 6, or 11 by default, so selecting a less crowded channel might help. Additionally, enabling the dual band feature can enhance the connection by allowing your Fire TV stick to use both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. Step 5. Use an Ethernet adapter. If Wi-Fi problems persist, consider using an Ethernet adapter for a wired connection. This ensures a stable and faster internet connection because wired connections are typically more reliable than wireless ones. You can easily purchase an Ethernet adapter compatible with the Fire TV stick, and it's usually a simple plug-and-play solution. A stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial for making the most of your Fire TV stick. By following these steps, checking your Wi-Fi signal strength, restarting your devices, updating your Fire TV stick software, adjusting network settings, and considering a wired connection, you can significantly enhance your streaming experience. Keep these tips in mind and remember that a little troubleshooting can go a long way in ensuring uninterrupted entertainment. Whether you're diving into a new series or catching up on your favorite movies, maintaining strong connectivity means less buffering and more enjoyment. Embrace these strategies to fix Wi-Fi connection on a Fire TV stick and elevate your viewing experience to the next level. Happy streaming.